We're here at the Brooklyn Navy Yard with the City of Amsterdam and the Dutch delegation to develop data solutions for a better and more sustainable circular city. And what we're looking for is to collaboratively design data solutions that give us more insight in how circular cities can develop and how they can grow and become more sustainable for the future.
Moving from a linear to a circular economy means system change. And a system change you can't make by yourself. And our culture is cooperation. So making the change together is for us, the Dutch, a very natural thing to do. Because we are used to, defend ourselves. Also against flooding and whatever, since we exist. And that's why we are now also able to manage all these processes of change in a way that we really make the change together.
I hope that at the end of the workshop we will at least get one or two solutions that we can follow up on, and that's what I'm willing to go for.